This is one of a series of short videos on Penn Inn in Newton Abbot. This one covers the road ahead route from Kingsteignton to Kingskerswell. As you can see on the video, we're currently travelling southbound on the A380. The exit for Penn Inn roundabout is about half a mile, and on the sign on the left it does tell us to use that exit to go to Kingskerswell. It is possible to stay on the dual carriageway and take the bridge. The exit is about half a mile after the roundabout, but when it's busy that can be quite difficult. If we look ahead, there's a footbridge. Just beyond the footbridge, the left-hand lane does start to widen and split into two lanes. Because we're going to be following the road ahead at the roundabout, we're going to want to keep to the left. That's normal positioning. What we will do though is look closely for any signs that give us any further information. The signs on this side of the roundabout are very late, so you do need to make your decisions before you can see any signs. As we approach, you can see the sign just ahead there on the right, and it will tell us that we need the left-hand lane or the centre lane for Kingskerswell. We'll stay in the left because we're not overtaking anything. As we enter the roundabout, we want to keep the white line to our right, on our right, and follow that through. The road markings are for Torquay. Kingskerswell is a more minor destination, so we follow this Torquay lane round, checking our mirrors as we come around and keeping to the left as we leave the roundabout. I hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching. Why not check out some of my other videos and subscribe.